Did you know that small, consistent habits can have the biggest impact on your health? And the best part, they're so easy, you can start today. Stick around and I'll share 10 simple habits that will completely transform your health and your life. Welcome to Healthy Vibes Journey, where we're all about helping you live your healthiest, happiest life. Today's video is all about small, practical changes that create big results. These habits are perfect if you're just starting your wellness journey or looking to level up your routine. Don't forget to hit subscribe and turn on notifications for weekly tips and inspiration. Before you reach for coffee, drink a glass of water. Hydrating first thing in the morning kickstarts your metabolism, flushes out toxins, and boosts your energy naturally. Bonus points if you add a squeeze of lemon. It's great for digestion. No time for the gym? No problem. A 10-minute walk, stretching, or even dancing around your living room gets your blood flowing and improves your mood. Remember, movement is medicine. Make your plate as colorful as possible. Think reds, greens, yellows, and purples. Each color represents different vitamins and antioxidants that your body craves. Challenge yourself to add one extra veggie to every meal this week. Habit 4. Practice deep breathing. Most of us breathe shallowly without realizing it. Try this. Take a deep breath in for 4 seconds, hold for 4 seconds, and exhale for 4 seconds. Do this 3 times and you'll feel instant relaxation. It's like hitting a reset button for your mind. Habit 5. Prioritize sleep. Sleep is the foundation of good health. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality rest. Here's a tip. Turn off screens 30 minutes before bed and try a calming ritual like reading or journaling. Habit 6. Snack smarter. Replace chips and candy with healthier options like nuts, fruits, or yogurt. These snacks keep your energy stable and provide the nutrients your body needs. Pro tip: pre-pack snacks so they're ready to grab and go. Habit 7. Practice gratitude daily. Take 2 minutes at the end of the day to reflect on 3 things you're grateful for. It could be as simple as enjoying a good meal or spending time with loved ones. Gratitude is a proven way to boost your mental health. Habit 8. Drink more water. Are you drinking enough water? Most people aren't. Aim for 8 glasses a day or more if you're active. Carry a water bottle with you to make it easy to stay hydrated throughout the day. Habit 9. Schedule me time. We're all busy, but taking even 15 minutes for yourself can do wonders for your mental health. Use that time to read, meditate, or do something you love. Remember, self-care isn't selfish, it's essential. Habit 10. Laugh often. Laughter really is the best medicine. Watch a funny video, call a friend who makes you laugh, or just let yourself be silly. Laughing reduces stress and boosts your immune system. Who doesn't want that? So there you have it, 10 simple habits that can transform your health, starting today. Remember, it's all about small, consistent steps. Which habit will you start with? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who could use a little extra health inspiration. And don't forget to subscribe for more tips on living your best life. See you next time.